Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's topic, we are going to see why Nigeria's floods are so extreme this year, that is 2022. Nigerians are not strangers to flooding, and in some part of the country, flood is an annual event, but the intensity varies, which may be from year to year and how it affects people. The 2022 flood have caused massive damage like those experienced in 2012. More than 10 years ago, the flood affected about 7.7 million people in 32 out of 36 states. The recent flood affected 1.4 million people in 27 states of Nigeria. So here are some causes of such floods and why this flood is so extreme this time around. Floods are of different types, which may either be fluvial floods, which occurs when rivers overflow their banks, and also we have coastal floods, which occurs when water from marine environments submerges low-lying adjoining lands. And the third type of flood is fluvial floods, which occurs due to intense heavy rains. But in the case of Nigeria, these three types of floods are interrelated because the peaks of all three flooding types can coincide seasonally. Some of the principal causes of floods in Nigeria are rapid urbanization, poor spatial planning, poor solid management, solid waste management, including the drainage system being used as dump sites. Another factor which is very crucial is change in rainfall pattern in the country, which is particularly an increase in extreme events. Rainstorms lasting up to 5 days are becoming more common, and it's predicted that they will increase due to climate change. This extreme event causes serious flooding. Another feature of country that adds to flooding risk is that it has numerous rivers, including transboundary river systems such as the Niger and Benue River. The poor infrastructural development such as dam, reservoirs, and bank protection contribute to annual floods. For example, the release of excess water from Lado Dam in Cameroon, which often contribute to flooding in Nigeria, was supposed to be contained by the dam. The Dasin Hausa Dam in Adamawa State, northeastern Nigeria, but after more than 40 years, the dam is still incomplete. Many of the rivers in Nigeria are poorly managed and regulated. Siltation of major rivers such as Niger, as well as removal of vegetation from river banks and wetlands for agricultural purposes, are all outcomes of poor water resource management, which have contributed to flooding. That's all for today's video. If you found it very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.